There you see the name. It's called jättelik. That means huge. And all these dinosaurs are huge. So they give them the name jättelik. Swedish word, jättelik. Huge. And all these pandas, they call kramig. That means you want to hug something. Kramig in Swedish.
We're committed to the well-being of our visitors, customers,
and this lamp is called upplyst. That means it's been lit up. Upplyst, Swedish word.
We support everyone in creating an affordable, better everything at home. Stay safe. Have a great day.
And these candles, they call störtskön. That means it's very enjoyable. In Sweden, störtskön. But some of the word is very hard to translate to English. But some of the things mean something in Swedish. Not all. Let's see. Find something more. They have little winter things. It's ceramic, IKEA. Vinterfint. It's like they're very nice in the winter. Vinterfint. And now it's winter in Sweden, so... Oh. And this is just the name, Alex. And this one is called Rast. It means break. Maybe people like this because it's a break. This is called undvika. Undvika mean avoid. You must avoid. Undvika. So maybe they mean you put this so you not hit something. It's softer. And this is called 20. 20 is a counting word in Sweden. 20 it means. 20. And what is that 20? It is batteries. 20. Rechargeable batteries.